the big question is, what do you think will happen if you influence your prospects to take action? If yes, then without further ado, let's get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what we're going to be talking about this week, the big question is, what do you think will happen if you influence your prospects to take action? The answer is quite simply, it will lead to significantly more sales. Now, how do we do this? We do this by allowing me and my team to guide you through these 3 steps, these 3 proven processes of the pre-launch, of the launch, and of the post-launch, and the steps that are contained within. So let me guide you step by step through the exact same sequences that we have implemented for all of our clients who are also ambitious, fast-paced entrepreneurial coaches just like yourself. So come and join us. Places are strictly limited because I can only offer this to 1 coach per area. And the reason will become clear if you come and join us in the webinar and the workshop. So please click on the link below, immediately below this video, and you will be taken through to a really short questionnaire. This will require a time investment of about approximately 1.5 minutes to 3.5 minutes maximum. So between 90 seconds to 120, 180 seconds there. And then after you've successfully completed the quiz, there you'll be taken through to the link. You'll be given a link to the live training session. So what we've got is we've got a webinar all planned out for you, the 3 proven processes there to influence more of your prospects, more of your list, to take an action with you, the coach, their future coach. Okay. And then what will happen is we will then, after the webinar, approximately 15 minutes after the webinar, you'll be given an invitation to the live Zoom room. And this is where we will have a live, unabated, unabridged Q&A session. So remember, click on the link below, fill in the quiz. After the quiz, you will get the link to the webinar, and then you will get the link to the live Zoom workshop, which will start approximately 15 minutes after the webinar broadcast finishes. Okay, I look forward very, very much to joining you and then to answering any of these questions relating to these digital marketing strategies, these proven processes that are guaranteed to work. And it's simply a case of, remember, there is always a trail that leads back to the sale. Okay, so I look forward to joining you, and I look forward to hearing from you all of your questions. So I'll see you soon, and then take care. Remember, click on the link below, and while you're at it, like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel by clicking the bell notification. Okay, thank you all very, very much. This is me, PG Mac, saying peace out and see you very soon. Come and join us for some epic digital marketing strategies. And let's make you feel like you're on top of the world. The link is directly in the comments below this video. Most ambitious, fast-paced entrepreneurial coaches struggle to get their message about the unique blind spots you resolve in front of the right type of coaching client. An I CanDOur digital marketing alchemist can transform your knowledge into information and this information into gold by positioning your message to the top of Google in under 24.5 minutes flat, so that you can stop relying on word of mouth and referral magical marketing and instead have a predictable stream of income from awesome coaching clients.